Hey, what's up my viewer, what's up my subscribers? This is Othtv at you again. So people, LA Lewis been in the media for a couple of weeks now, and this time around is different because on his Facebook Live, LA Lewis blatantly said that Elephant Man had HIV and that he went ahead and drained his blood and now he's not infected anymore with the virus. And he's saying that do not let Elephant Man trick you because that's what he did. Listen to what LA Lewis has to say.
If Elephant Man have AIDS people, Elephant have AIDS again, Elephant drain him blood. Elephant Man have AIDS people, they make him trick you. But now him good again. So AIDS that thing can get rid of.
LA Lewis, this is serious. I know you talk a lot of stuff in the past, but this one, you have to be careful. You directly said that Elephant Man has AIDS and he drained his blood. Man, that's how you treat AIDS now? Not even HIV, but AIDS. This is a big accusation though. I know people like to spread rumors on people, right? Just like how a few years before Vybz Kartel went to prison, they said that he was infected with a virus. But to me, Elephant Man is out there living his best life. Elephant Man is touring, doing his shows, and look like he's enjoying his house, his kids. Then again, people could be going through personal stuff and they show the best on the outside because, you know, that's what the doctors always tell you, have a positive energy, a positive outlook on life. So despite everything, people could still be going through stuff. I'd really like for LA Lewis though, or Elephant Man, to let us know how they did it, or how him, Elephant Man, got rid of this infection. Yo, the public would like to know that, but LA Lewis, man, that's a big accusation though. People have heard in the past that Magic Johnson, yes, the basketball player, actually drained all his old blood and replaced it with new blood. You all also know when it comes to Dr. CB, you know Dr. CB said that he can treat AIDS, HIV, and any other diseases. So people, let me know what you think, if LA Lewis is onto something or he's trying to start up something with Elephant Man. Are you guys heard of this when it comes to Elephant Man? Or LA Lewis is just making a big accusation that he shouldn't have said that can be detrimental to someone's career? So people, let me know in the comment section. Until next time, please like, share, and subscribe.
It left far with it. If Elephant Man have AIDS people, Elephant have AIDS again, Elephant drain him blood. Elephant Man have AIDS people, they make him trick you. But now him good again. So AIDS that thing can get rid of. That's why I'm saying.